Colonialism in Africa. The Dutch established its colony for the first time at the end of 15th century in South Africa. South Africa is located in Africa region. After that, England and France established their colonies in Cape and Algeria in North Africa. Cape is situated in the southern part of the Africa and Algeria in north. Okay, respectively means like step by step. The vast provinces of Africa seemed quite suitable for the acquiring raw material and selling ready product post industrial revolution, because of which European countries competed to establish colony. Because of PDF I am not able to read properly because it seems to be different and had different. Okay, so colonialism in Africa started in 15th century by Dutch and established their colony first in South Africa, and after that England and France, like England established their colonies in Cape, and France established their colonies in North Africa in Algeria. Why they are very willing to go in Africa? Because these people are not very well educated, these people are not very well organized, and to sell this product require those people which is not able to get this technical issue, which is not able to get many things, like they are not known how to make cloth fine, how to make footwear, how to make any funny things, entertainment things. So because of industrial revolution is happen in India, as you know, any company until and unless if company is not able to sell their product, they are not able to get benefit. Okay, so same concept apply with the industrial revolution which has happened in England earlier in situation. So they want to expand their market, and to expand their market they enter into Africa, because of they are not very well thoughtable and not very advanced, I would say, in from the manufacturing, from the footwear, from the clothwear, from the funny things and food material, etc. So they take advantage this weakness of the colonies. Okay, King Leopold of Belgium seized the vast provinces of Congo and established his rule. So King Leopold of Belgium seized vast province. Vast means large area of the Congo and established his rule. England established its colonies in Egypt, some provinces in East Africa and some of South Africa. So England in Egypt and some provinces of East Africa and some of South Africa established their role. France established its colonies in Tunisia, Morocco and West Africa provinces, that is captured by France. Germany established its empire in some provinces of East and West Africa. Italy captured the African provinces around the Red Sea. Spain and Portugal also seized some provinces of Africa. It's only name, so no need to explanation. Okay, it is self-explanatory which territory captured by which power. Okay, a conference for the European nation was held in Berlin. Conference means meeting. Was held in Berlin 1884 and 1885. In the midst of this competition, to establish colonies. So why this conference happened? To establish the colonies, to compete to establish colonies. Different African territory were divided among the European nations. So they come together and they got for agreement to which country need to possess by which power, whom possess this part, who possess this part. Okay, so this talk happened with European nation for the African territories. Thus the colonial dominance of different European nations was established over the entire Africa. Entire means whole Africa. Okay, so many places dominated by England, many places dominated by France, many of Africa, Spain, many Portugal, Russia and America. Russia and America is not totally involving but some extent because of trade. Okay, while one hand the greedy European nation were trying to colonize various African territories, while in one hand the greedy European nations are trying to colonize various Asian African territories, on the other hand Germany and Italy had completed the process of its respective political unification. That means one sided story is European nation trying to colonize many territories as much as possible by war, by treaty, by hook, by crook, anything. By using any medium they colonize many territories. On the other hand in Europe, the second side story is German and Italy had completed the process of unification. Unification means many German parts come together and they develop the thought of citizenship, they develop the thought of country and unity, etc. Okay, unified, that means many parts of the country come together and become a full-fledged nation. Like in before ancient time or medieval time, in India have many rule, like many places ruled by Maratha, many places ruled by Sikhs, many places ruled by Mughals, etc. That is happen with also in Europe. So in second side stories Germany and Italy respectively political unification got it in their territory. Thus the unified Germany plunged into competition of industrialization, commercialization and colonization. So Germany now into involved in competition of industrialization. By whom and by which party? Because of Britain is England is very front runner of the industrialization. So to compete this power, Germany also involving in the race. Okay, industrialization means production of mass level of product is called industrialization. Like if we manufactured anything like pen or paper copy by machine, so we can produce large amount of product. Okay, but if it is manually by man, so we can not mass level, that means by one product, by one time we cannot produce large things. Okay, because of man capacity is different and machine capacity is different. Commercialization means selling of product, selling and buying of product, like buying raw material and selling product, etc. Colonization means rule established over another territory to extract, to exploit these countries socially, economically and politically. Thus, this quickly changing global phenomena had exploited some of these countries politically, economically and socially, due to which their development had stoppage. As you know, if any in our family, if one people dominate over the others, what will happen? Family is breaking down in many parts. Okay, so same thing happen with countries. So because of many rules and many power governing the Africa, countries power, countries exploitation is more, poor become more poor and rich are also become poorer native states. Okay, this had led to the First World War. Because of all these reasons we see First World War. Okay.